Hey everyone, it's Mr. Anderson. I'm here reading a book to you, All Around the Sun. And I'm really excited for this one because this is going to talk to us about the planets that go around the sun. Alright, so let's read to find out more. All Around the Sun by Amy Bin. All around the sun. And if you notice, the planets, they're in different positions around the sun. This is Mercury. Mercury is hot. This is Venus. Venus is bright. Bright is a key word because it tells us that Venus is easy to see. This is Earth. Earth is our home. This is where we live. And Earth is the only planet where humans can live on. This is Mars. Mars is red. This is Jupiter. Jupiter is big. And you notice it's like double the size of the other planets so far we learned about. This is Saturn. Saturn has ice rings. See how the ice ring goes all the way around Saturn? This is Uranus. Uranus spins on its side. So the other planets don't spin on their side. So that makes something different and unique about Uranus. This is Neptune. Neptune is windy. So if it's windy, right, when there's a lot of wind, we might feel cold. Well, these are all the planets, all around the sun. The end. And I hope you had fun learning about the planets with me. There were a lot of different planets, right? There was Earth, Mars, Mercury, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus, Jupiter. All right. Well, I hope you loved learning about the planets with me, and I'll see you soon.